Hi everyone, Tanya here. Today I'm working on some breast cancer awareness goodie bags, gift bags, and these are good if you're having a display or luncheon at home or at work. A lot of the medical facilities normally have a display and some giveaways during this time of year, during breast cancer awareness. So this is some ideas. If you're an administrative assistant or you work in a small doctor's office, and if it's your responsibility to create a display for breast cancer awareness, this may be some ideas. Okay, so first I'm going to start over here. I have like several different ideas. I'm going to start with the cosmetic bag, and I always like to have an inspirational journal because a lot of the women, if they're going for treatment, they're there for hours, and this can help, them to write down ideas and, to-do list. This is a breast cancer awareness ink pen. I'll put that in there. And then this little mini from Bath and Body Works. This a Gingham Gorgeous shower gel. Put that. And let's see, let me get rid of this. And the shower sponge for the shower gel. Let me cut the tag off. Okay, and I hope you guys are doing well today. I have a lot to do today, so I just got my showered and got myself together. Some slippers. And this is a satin pillowcase, a breast cancer awareness pillowcase. And I'm gonna open this up. I don't think that's when my ladies, if they're going for treatment, they're relaxing in the chair. So you can have a nice, cute little pillowcase. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. It says Think Pink. And the beautiful breast cancer awareness logo ribbon. Okay, so that's going in bag number one. Now my objective is to have at least 2 breast cancer awareness logo items in there. I got these from Dollar Tree, and then I'll have some other stuff, supporting it. I'm gonna put this right back. It's a satin pillowcase. Never looked at that. It just looked pretty from the packaging. Okay, so we're gonna put that in here. And I'm not gonna, these are like for giveaways or for games, if you're playing games and someone can win it. And so that's our first one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So the objective is to have 5 or 6 items. Okay, and then this one has the breast cancer awareness journal, has hope. And some more slippers. I have a breast cancer awareness ink pen for the journal. Then a keychain. So I have 3 logo items: keychain, and then a lotion from Bath and Body Works, Hello Gorgeous. Because I've heard women say when they're going through treatment, they need lotion, they want something to, they have to carry their own, bags. So you have your keychain and need something to write with, something, keep your feet cozy. Okay, so now my next item is a coffee mug. It says pink is more than just a pretty number, a pretty color. Oh, it's very early here. So I have this mug. I'm gonna make a couple of mug gifts. And let's see how we're gonna start this. I'm gonna put a journal. Take this tag off. Okay, put the journal in here. I'm gonna put some shred. And what we have is a fuzzy ink pen, breast cancer awareness socks, and a mini gingham gorgeous from Bath and Body Works. Now, for most breast cancer patients, if they're going for treatment, this might be a little too much fragrance, but you know, it's such a pretty match. And so I'm going to take the ink pen, and the ink pen has a little glittery ribbon on it, and I'm going to take the ink pen, I'm going to wrap the socks around it. I'm keeping all the packaging on because all that helps keep it stable. Okay, then I'm going to just drop that in. So they got a coffee mug, have some lotion, you got socks, and ink pen and a journal. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items they could use. Okay, I try to get as many things that can be used. You can also use this bag. These bags are good. You can always put your lunch in them when you're not using them, other cosmetics. So we're doing that one. Okay, now the next one is a water bottle or sports bottle. It says breast cancer awareness fighter pink. It has a lot of graphics on there. We have that. Ink pen, hand lotion, and a towel. So if the person is doing the walk, they have a water bottle, they have a towel. And so I'm just going to roll the towel up. As tight as I can. Rolling up my towel, okay? And I'm going to place it. Okay. I'm going to put the ink pen in there. And place the lotion in there. The tops on there. So that's our, we have 1, 2, 3, this is our 4th gift idea, okay? All right, so now I have one more. I'm going to use this window bag. And this is for somebody that loves my little homemade, my little handmade footies, the pom-poms, okay? So those are going in. They have a nice breast kit. We Are Strong journal. Breast cancer awareness has the logo on there. We have the ink pen. We have a keychain that says never give up. And a gingham gorgeous lotion. And this one's like a special order. Okay, so we have all of these. Right, so we also have another one. It's pretty much like that one, just a lighter color ink pen. Has the gingham gorgeous lotion, and the socks just a little different. Okay. We have another one with the shower gels, satin pillowcase. Okay, we have that one. Place that one right here. These are cute ideas. Is that everything? Yeah. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah, we have two of these left, one of these, and then this is a special order. We have one of the water bottles. Okay. Now, what I'm not going to do right now, but you could put these in some cello bags, wrap them up, and let's see. Yeah, you put these in some cello bags, wrap them up, put a bow on it. Especially if you're selling them, if it's just a display or you're doing gifts and games at work, you know, just keep them like that. That's fine. Or find another plastic bag. Okay guys, so I just wanted to share with you some fun and beautiful breast cancer awareness gift goodie bag ideas. I hope you got some inspiration. I appreciate you stopping by. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. So happy that you stopped by. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.